Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect a Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 to an iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Unfortunately, you cannot connect a Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 to an iPhone. The main reason is that the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app, which is required to pair and manage the Fit 3, is not available on iOS. While Samsung did release a Galaxy Watch app for iPhones in the past, it only supported older models like the Galaxy Watch 3 and Gear Sport. It does not support the Galaxy Fit 3. Because of this limitation, the Fit 3 cannot sync with iPhones. However, you can still use the Galaxy Fit 3 independently. It will track your steps, monitor your heart rate, and display some basic information on the screen. But you won't be able to sync that data to your iPhone or manage settings through an app. If you really want to take full advantage of the Galaxy Fit 3's features, the best solution is to use an Android phone. So that's basically how you can connect a Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 to an iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.